Divisibility by 18. Rule: a number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 2 and 9. This means, 1, the number must be even, and 2, the sum of digits is divisible by 9. For example, the number 194,976 is divisible by 18 as it is an even number, ends with 6, and the sum of its digits, 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 36, is a multiple of 9. 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. On the other hand, 7,803 is not divisible by 18 as it is an odd number. Regardless, the sum of digits is divisible by 9. 7 plus 8 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. Likewise, 65,892 is not divisible by 18 because despite the fact that it is an even number, it ends with 2, the sum of its digits is not divisible by 9, as 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 30. The calculator gives 194,976 divided by 18 is equal to 10,832, 7,803 divided by 18 is equal to 433.5, and 65,892 divided by 18 is equal to 3,660.666, results that confirm the correctness of our solution. That is all for lesson 1.6.18. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.19, Divisibility by 19. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.